Hey y'all, today we're going to make the old southern favorite chicken poulet or chicken. And it's supposed to be a classic, so let's get started. First thing you need to do is cook 2 chicken breasts and shred those. I just boiled mine and I've got those ready. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a cup of water and melt a stick of butter in that. So I just put mine both together in a glass measuring cup, or you could do it in a large coffee mug. Put it in the microwave until it's melted, and you're going to get some of this. I could only find the cube, couldn't find the other. So we're going to empty this in a bowl. And we're going to pour the water margarine over the top. Okay, did that. Just stir it up. Okay, we're going to add 2 eggs. I'm gonna beat these eggs real quick. Pour that over it and stir it up. And then you're going to need 2 cups of chicken broth. So we're going to I'm going to stir a little bit at a time because of our egg. Okay. Okay. So mix all that up. Okay. Now, I'm going to set this aside. Get our next bowl ready. Now in this bowl, hopefully I got a big enough bowl, you need to put your shredded chicken, and we're going to need a 1/2 cup of mayo. Got that right here. Let me get that real quick. 1/2 cup of mayo. There. And we're going to need some green onions. You're going to need 1/4 cup of those. So I have some dried ones. Put those in. Stir all this up. Really well. Put in just a little dab more of mayo. Okay. Get some of this stuff out of the way. Now, we got that. Now, you're going to need a baking dish, 9 by 13. Let me get that ready. Got it here. I sprayed it lightly with some spray. Okay. First thing you want to do is put half your stuffing in the bottom of the pan. And I wish it would have been the crushed and not the cube, but nowadays you can barely find anything, and it's not the season for this, so that may have been part of the problem as well. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to top with all of this chicken mixture. Let me grab another spoon. you'll put the rest of this on top. Spread it all out. Okay. All right. Okay. And then what you need to do is you need to beat 2 more eggs. Hold on just 1 second. 2 eggs and a cup of milk. Two eggs and a cup of milk in a small bowl. Okay. So you need to kind of beat those. And I'll just go ahead and sprinkle some salt on top. Take the remaining 2 eggs of milk and pour over in the pan. Okay, so now you'll cover this and you'll place it in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. And then before baking, you have one more thing you have to do. But take out and look at it in 8 hours, and then I'll explain the rest. Okay, so we pulled this out, and we've got to preheat our oven to 350. And you're going to bake this uncovered for about 45 minutes. Now this soup, you're going to open a can of creamy mushroom soup, dump it out on top. It's going to be kind of hard to do that. I'll do this I can. Just do it. What are you doing? He'll put it out. He got his way. Stayed at the grocery store forever. Okay, so put this in the oven, 350, 45 minutes, and then we're going to take it out. We'll put the cheese on it, put it back in there, uncovered. You can bake this uncovered. Okay, so it's out of the oven, and if it looks kind of wonky right there, that's because I was making sure it was done all the way through. Cheese will cover it up, so no worries there. You need to take a cup of shredded cheese and sprinkle on top. Put it back in the oven for 5 minutes, and that will be it. You take it out when it's melted, which shouldn't be long, any longer than 5 minutes. All right, that's it. I'll see y'all next time.